What's up, everybody? Hello, we're here again. Yeah, we're here. We're us too. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Yep. No merch. Not yet. No merch yet. Are we gonna do the Hot Wheels video as you saw in the last video that literally might be posted in like 5 minutes, maybe by the time this video is uploaded. Who knows? I look so ugly on camera. I need a Friday. Yeah, boy. So we're gonna go. We're gonna do a Hot Wheels track. We already had the Hot Wheels set up. We've been testing it out before, so we just have a few Hot Wheels to go, and let's go. Let's do that dance. Okay. Don't shoot. I know. Don't. So, we're walking and leaving the kitchen, and see you in a minute. Dope transition. This is our cousin. There she is. She's awful. She's awful. Just going on YouTube. She's awful. She's awful. She's very awful. You know that? Okay, so here's the Hot Wheels track. Feet in the middle. That's a Hot Wheels track, and we've tested it out. If you can see that. And that's my winning side, and that's his winning side. And these are my cars I'm testing. And those are his cars. Those are his cars he's testing. Okay. That's too Spanish. Yes. So this is the car he tested before the video we made. And it was going like this along the track, and it went so fast that it fell over, and it just like that. All right, so now it's my turn. And as I do this, I'm recording, so yeah, not gonna be easy. Oh, I pressed it too much. Oh, whoops. I'm gonna sit you guys up like maybe here, and you guys get to see the whole thing right here. You know what? We're just gonna open it. We're gonna see this.
Awesome.
It made it, guys. If you didn't tell, you didn't. Oh, I can zoom like really far in. And it flipped over at the end. I'm just zooming out, guys. No, right, you're gonna see black screen. Yeah, I'm just zooming out. Alright, now it's his turn to do it. And he has a Mustang Ford GT 2015 model. And if I'm incorrect, please correct me down in the comment section down below. You ready? Send that car flying!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Spot busted over. Up. Yes.
Oh, it made it. It literally like landed right in front.
If you don't know how, if you keep moving that, you have to say 1, 2, 3, and then you say split up, order up. Or sometimes you have to say order up. 1, 2, 3, then order
Yeah,
up.
I've used it like a couple of times, and it's pretty awesome with that. Okay, so let's use this car. That car. You think you can have the privilege of recording? Go right here at the end and just hold the camera like right there so you can see it. Does it see the track?
Let me see. Yeah, I see.
Alright, hold it like there.
Okay.
Please unpause button, okay?
Okay. It made it.
It made it. Woohoo! What's your channel name? Daniel Matias. Okay. Oh, did I put it? I put it in the wrong box, everybody. It's meant to go there. Remember, that side is.
Now I'm going to try.
Oh god, his face looks so big.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Exposed. Oh my god.
There's so many pedophiles with your name.
Johnny, this is trying to be kid friendly. Why are you saying that word? Wait, I don't even know what that means.
Pedophiles?
Okay.
You know what pedophiles?
Yeah. Just kidding. I know what it is.
Bye, Danny.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Order.
What's your picture?
Womp womp. A Mickey Mouse.
I think I need to say it.
That was my old channel. I have to delete that channel. So
What's your new channel?
Daniel Matias. It's literally my same name.
Then what's the picture for the new one?
Daniel Matias. All right, that car failed.
Picture, Donnie.
The profile picture.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse. I haven't changed.
Yeah.
She sucks. Okay. So now it's my turn. Can you grab me one of my cars? And here's the camera. Now grab my own car. Okay. Here, get your cup. So here's my car. I'm picking. Ooh, shiny and ready.
New video. So instructions.
What?
But you know what?
She's a loser.
It's a video, and I'm just starting it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, no, don't expose. No. No.
Okay. Sorry,
Just
guys.
get down there. Get down there.
Okay. Yes.
Your finger's not in the way, right?
Yes. I have to edit the camera.
Okay. Now it's
It's done.
Humans, oh my god.
Okay, so can you stop interrupting my video? Like, please. Please. Oh. No, Sonia.
Whoa there.
Oh, that hit my phone case.
Taylor Swift uploaded a new video.
Ooh, look at this nice car. All right.
a truck, you idiot.
I know that.
You're creepy.
Yeah, I'm pretty creepy.
Get the camera. Get the car. Get the car. I will hold it.
Okay. It sees the track. It sees the track. If you guys don't see it, I'm sorry.
You like it?
Yeah, it shows the camera. What are you doing with the car? You're putting it on the camera.
Copyright strike, Johnny. Thanks a lot. We're gonna get a copyright.
Sorry.
Okay, hold this. Okay, where's the car stand? I'm choosing this ugly car. See? This is the ugly car. The ugly. Okay.
Need to put it in a good view.
Copyright strike.
It's the new music video.
I know, but I'm gonna get a copyright strike for
Yeah.
this.
This is
And I
the
just
most-
began my YouTube channel. I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You're not kidding. And so we got another winner. Boom, 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 boom. All right, bye, car.
Poor little kitty. He's dead. And then the one little kitty.
Oh God. Oh God. No wonder she's scared.
Hey, my turn. Okay, my turn.
No, it's my turn.
Strike, oh my god.
I will. Playing Taylor Swift is illegal, my friend.
No, it's not. That's not Taylor Swift.
Yeah, if I don't get a copyright strike for it. Here. Sorry, it's black. Nice job, actually. Drop the camera. And let's see. Oh,
I made it!
it touched the screen.
Wait, you gotta back the camera up though. So it doesn't.
Okay, it's really perfect.
Now you're getting a
Perfect. Hi. Okay. I touched my skin.
Oh my god!
When you see me for it,
I don't have a car.
don't
Kill
be.
yourself.
I don't have a car.
Yeah, that's the end. All right, so guys, here are the cars. This is my side. That's his side.
I'm the winner. He's a loser.
Ah!
Wait.
Yeah, now we have to. This is the semifinals. All right, so I'm gonna go.
We both got it. It's a tie. We both got 5.
No, but now we have to redo the cars. So now we have to do another round.
This is the last round. I'm bored.
This is not the last round.
Okay.
Oh, here. Okay. Let's do this, guys. Hot Wheels with here we come. And not, it was like, hey, how are you doing? Get out of here. Okay. Now me and Katie's turn. Yeah, just joking, guys. Actually, guys, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna explain him from under. Okay. Oh God.
It made it.
I made it. No, I didn't make it. I caught it all on video.
It was like this. Yo.
Yeah, I
You're
caught.
not uploading that.
VIP.
What?
Copyright strike.
If we get a copyright strike from YouTube.
I never had such a video ever.
All right, this car. Right, my turn. Gonna use this car. Here. Oh.
Oh, good shot.
Okay. Dirty socks. Always.
I'm a monkey in my dirty socks. That's not
Reindeer. Reindeer.
Hey, no reindeer.
Okay. No, don't run. Wait. Before you hit the button. Kitty! Ah! And then made it. Me and the kitty just fly on the floor for no reason. Are you ready for it?
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
He has a music video.
Who?
Big Shaq.
Oh no. Copyright strike. Another copyright strike.
Oh my god. No.
What is it on trending? It's something on trending. Here, go. Your turn. No, my turn.
Wait. I hold the camera.
Alright. My turn.
It's my turn.
I know.
Yo. Big Shaq, the one and only. Man's not hot.
I hate 2017. Oh my god.
Go touch the car.
Minus one, that's 3.5.
Everyday man's on the block.
What is it on trending?
See your girl in the park.
What is it on trending? I know it's on trending. What number?
26.
Number 26 on trending?
And I made it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I made it.
Forget about the video.
Sorry. Here. Your turn. Ah. Ooh, nice.
This shot, you're gonna show how I launch him.
Okay.
You can see me.
I'm gonna go down to the people.
That was my bad.
Okay.
Car can come back. That shot wasn't showing my butt, right?
Yeah. Okay. They go low so that the people can see.
Ready?
And
Hashtag Taylor Swift. I don't like Taylor Swift.
hey, I saw you like Clay Flips.
No, I like Jake Paul. Exposed.
Wow. How rude are you?
Your turn.
Pop, 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 pop.
Skitty pop pop. And boom 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 boom. Yeah. Boom 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 boom.
Copyright strike. Woo!
Boom. Oh my god, I love this.
It made it!
Bro, that was so close. It went. But it managed
Oh
to
my
make it.
god. He met DJ Khaled.
So. Ow. Ow. Okay.
I'm gonna do my last card, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
This is the only thing keeping me from killing
Hold
myself.
on. Give me 1 second.
Oh!
Pop, 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 pop.
Go far. Boo, 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 boo.
This car actually failed. Behind the camera, I was actually making it fail. So when I pressed the button, when you hear that gung, I actually launched the car by my hand, so that was cheating. So that car lost. Totally made that.
So, My turn. I'm gonna do my last card.
Okay.
Oh my god, Donnie, they have the camera.
Wait, guys. Wait, guys.
From Walmart.
Oh god.
Copyright strike. No, that's on video.
Okay.
What are they selling?
Ready?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. That's a fail. It failed.
Okay, that's why the
Show
people.
her where it failed.
Okay.
Slowly listen to it.
Okay.
I love this.
Yes, this is where it crashed. Now
Now
we're
play
gonna
Fiat. Okay.
bring it up, and now you get to do your last two, if it wants to.
Yeah. Big Sean. Copyright strike. That's it.
Right.
This video is almost 20 minutes. Oh God.
Wait a minute. So it is live down. Extreme.
Extreme, y'all.
Get that guy out of here.
Oh, perfect shot. He literally threw it and it went. Oh, Eric Costello. Chanting gets kicked out. Prank.
Okay. Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Boom. Yeah! Knocked out little Kitty in the face.
Oh yeah, and I'm sorry for getting far knocking your head out.
All
right, you have 3. You have 2 cars. 2 cars. We're going to face off. The truck will choose to eliminate. You get to choose what car you eliminate from my team. What car will you eliminate from my team? My team. No, that's your side. For my team, what car are you gonna eliminate from my team?
This was your team?
Yeah. Which car are you gonna eliminate? Oh, the Nissan 370Z. Out. Now I get to pick what car from your side, and I'm gonna choose this guy.
Yeah, I was thinking of that one because I don't like that
Now,
one.
this is Cousins. Beauty Kitty. Oh, and this is my car. Okay, now the truck. Will say, go face it off. Burp. Let's drop truck. All right, so I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna hold the camera for myself, and you will do the same. Sorry guys, you're watching this cringy 20-minute video. Probably cringy, I don't know.
Nobody's watching this tracking.
Trust me,
In
somebody.
18 minutes, I think. I can't see.
Ready, set. I made it! No, if this car can make it.
Copyright strike.
Oh no, not another one.
Oh, the baby. You seen the other woman?
What other woman?
Oh my god, I can't remember.
No,
Failed,
no,
fail.
No,
I won!
no, it was like, it wasn't the, it was like
Gender
this.
transformation
It was like-
makeup. Gender
It was
bender.
like this. It was like this.
Featuring my finger. Hello.
Yeah, I don't know if the face was showed. Oh,
Showed.
I don't know if.
Proper grammar.
Oh God, who cares?
No, that was, I actually put it too
Where's
far
the
away.
PewDiePie
I'm
video
sorry,
from
guys.
a month ago still on trending?
Okay,
Let me see.
no, okay, this is for real. This is for
It's
real.
in German though. Wait.
It made it.
Are you kidding me?
Here it is.
It made it.
Mm-hmm.
See? In the middle.
That PewDiePie video right there, guys. And the trending list.
Yeah, suck it, Donnie.
Don't subscribe to him. He's a sucker. Yeah, don't subscribe to PewDiePie, guys. Subscribe to Jake
Gee,
Paul.
thanks.
Subscribe to Jake and Logan Paul.
No,
Hey,
they both
I'm
suck.
gonna do it.
All right.
I'm gonna subscribe to PewDiePie.
So we have 2 winners. Yay! Ta-da!
Subscribe to the Nazi.
Oh no, Jody.
Shut up.
Don't subscribe to Cloud Gang.
If you're in the video, then why are you talking?
She's not in the video.
Oh.
I mean, she's in the video, but I'm not showing her face because she doesn't want her identity shown.
Who
We
are you?
only show her face. I put it.
Live Peppa Pig episode. Me!
Oh
No,
God.
no.
All
Alright guys, we have problems here in this video. Hope you guys have an awesome day or night. Hope you guys are doing very well, and I'll see you all later.
Bye.
Bye.